Human resource development being a fundamental basis for the overall progress of the state, my government intends to improve the coverage and quality of government educational infrastructure and support system through interventions in the areas of pupil-teacher ratio, properly equipping libraries and laboratories, and ensuring all the supports for the government-sponsored schools, and improving the nutritional standards of the students through quality midday meal. The new government also intends to provide other supports to the students like school uniform, school kits, a scholarship, etc. Conducting regular tests for teachers at elementary level and initiating recruitment process for recruitment of teachers against existing vacancies every year on a regular basis are going to be the immediate future roadmap toward achieving the goal of universalization of education in West Bengal with perfect conformity to the mandates of NEP 2020. To create a nationalistic fervor in the young minds, my government has made singing of Vande Mataram mandate in all schools and nurseries, recognized by the state government. Reflecting the newly elected government's strong commitment to strengthening school education in the state, West Bengal has recently onboarded the PM Shri, PM School for Rising India. This is a centrally sponsored scheme aimed at transforming selected government schools into model institutions that embody the vision of the National Education Policy 2020, promoting experiential, holistic, and competency-based learning with a focus on academic excellence, digital literacy, skill development, environmental sustainability, and inclusive education. Against the benchmark of 12,310 schools, 12,053 schools have participated in the process, and 11,652 schools have successfully completed the required stages. PM3 schools are envisioned as centers of excellence that provide high quality education and serve as model institutions for neighboring schools. In the realm of higher education, immediately after assuming responsibility, my government has initiated measures to ensure that higher education institutions of the state are included in the national schemes like One Nation, One Subscription, SWAYAM, e-Samaj, and EU Vidyalakshmi. The Department of Higher Education has also onboarded PM Kota. It has been made clear that the new state government will not tolerate any threat culture across educational campuses of the state. It has also been decided to streamline the admission process for general degree as well as professional degree colleges all over the state with a special emphasis on merit and transparency. My government is determined to ensure that the National Education Policy 2020 is not merely paid lip service or followed as a compulsion, but is properly implemented across the state in all higher educational institutions, covering all parameters with proper scope for internship for students of all general degree colleges. In order to ensure parity in educational infrastructure across the state, my government will take steps towards setting up another Indian Institute of Technology and an Indian Institute of Management, or an equivalent institution to provide world-class technical and management education for North Bengal. A new tribal university will also be established to enhance educational access for indigenous communities. Honorable members, my government is very much alert to the call of